Everyone, welcome to Coaching with AD. Well, as we all know that we are all now working from home, and this is the new norm that we have got. So today I thought that I will share some of the best practices that I have learned, that how to make your work from home more effective. And not only that, I'm also going to share a lot of important simple exercises that you can do while you are doing working from home. I'm sure you will find this useful in your day-to-day practice. So the first thing that I want to share is that you have to have a dedicated area for yourself when you are working from home. It's like your mini office. Because if you don't have a mini office like this, you might sit on your bed, couch. Of course, you can roam around and go anywhere, but you need to have a dedicated space in your room where you want to set up your office. So I'll just take you through a bit about what I have created, what I do. So this is the desk that I brought it almost 7 months back. If you remember, I had posted on one of my social media that now this is my new office, and now it is working very effectively during this lockdown period when we all have to work from home. Then I have a camera, I have a mobile stand from where I put the mobile stand in front of me. I create all my videos. My laptop. I also have my printer that I got from my office, so in case if I have to scan and send some reports, it's a small printer that I have got. I even have got my favorite Alexa because whenever I feel bored, I can talk to her. Hi Alexa, good morning. So
I don't know that.
That's how it helps. Then I have my Kindle from where I do a lot of reading. And this space has got a lot of things. I've got some items, my plants, my stationery, a small office. Now it gives me the complete control on whatever I need at a hand's distance. Hey everyone. So as we all get busy into our work while we are working from home, we have tight calendars, blog with a tight agenda with a lot of webinars and conference calls that we have to adapt to. What we miss out is the basic exercises while we just get up and get into our work. And many a times we even don't realize that how much and how many breaks that I have to take, how much interval it has to be. So today I'll just tell you very basic and simple exercises that can help you remain productive and keeping this laptop now and just getting away from this distraction. So what you have to do is you have to just very simply relax your fingers, because if you are able to relax your fingers by just stretching it a bit while you are doing a lot of work on the laptop, you need to have the right blood flow in your fingers. So you need to just do it like this. The second simple exercise that you can do is you can just rotate your arms like this. Now this is the stretch that you get on your shoulders and on your arms. It will just relax. Then I try to give more pressure on these sides because it just relaxes my muscles very deeply. You can just stretch it a little bit up while you are just on the chair. You can just relax it. Hold your hands near to your ears. That is very, very important. Apart from these very basic things, another very important thing that I follow very religiously is I call it as meditation. Just 2 minutes, 1 minute to begin with that meditation. You can just simply close your eyes, take a breath on the count of 4 while your eyes are closed, and release it at the count of 3. So you can just say to yourself, breathe in and breathe out. So while you continue to breathe, while your eyes are closed and your palms are both on the thighs, palms facing down, and you have to be away from any support from your body, you will feel that you will start feeling a lot of relaxation in your mind, and which is I think very necessary before you are getting into any new sessions. You need to come with a fresh mind so that whatever you are going to receive as information, give as information, it has to be correct and it has to be perfect. So try out these basic stuff and you will feel alert with a lot of mindfulness, with a lot of alert body, and your consciousness will help you to give best and receive best from others. Thanks for watching once again, and stay connected to Coaching with AD. I'll be sharing more information